Hello friends, in today's video we're gonna be showing you the location of the fuse box, diagnostic socket, and the fuse box and the relay under the engine compartment. So the diagnostic socket for this Toyota is located just here where I'm pointing out my finger, just next to the bonnet latch opener. Okay, so this is the bonnet latch. Okay, so the diagnostic socket is here, and the fuse box location for this Toyota Auris is behind the glove box, just there. So we're just gonna show you that in a minute. Right, the location for the fuse box in the engine compartment is just here. So you just press the cover release button on in here, and that's how it opens. So all the fuses are here, and the one which are not present here, they are behind the glove box. We're just going to show you that in a minute. Right, friends, so the location, as I mentioned, for the cockpit fuse box is behind this glove box here. This particular model is 2009 Toyota Auris. So what you do is you just open the glove box like this, and then you just pull the glove box just like that. Okay, just like that. It just comes off. It's not completely off yet, so we're just gonna show you the reason why it's not coming off at the moment. Right, as you can see that it's not fully released at the moment because of this damper here. This is the soft open close damper. So what you do with this is just pull it towards you and it opens up like this. Okay, so just leave that here, and this is how the glove box comes off. Right, there we go friends. The location for the fuse is just under here. Okay, so in this particular model, the indicator fuse is blown. Also the tailgate light fuse is blown, so that's what we're gonna change right now. So there we go.